Hello, welcome to your new Chromebook. A Chromebook is a computer that runs Chrome OS, an operating system made by Google and based around their Chrome web browser. While Chrome OS might seem a bit different from other desktop operating systems you might be used to, it still has a lot of the same functionality. For example, it still features the core quartet of WIMP, windows, icons, menus, and pointers, which you learned about earlier in this unit. You can find a lot of useful information about your Chromebook by clicking on the status icon in the bottom right of the screen. When not expanded, this icon shows the computer's Wi-Fi connection, battery level, and time. Expanding the menu shows more details about Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, as well as allowing you to change notification settings, volume, and brightness. One of the most important functions of the Chromebook can actually be found on its keyboard. Where you might find a caps lock key on another computer, you will instead find a key that looks like a magnifying glass. This is the search key. It can be reconfigured to do different things, but its search function is probably the most useful. Pressing the search key will bring up a Google Assistant box at the bottom of your screen, showing some of your recently used apps. If you want to see all your apps, click the arrow at the top of the box. A Chromebook can download many apps through the Chrome Web Store. If you want to add some functionality to your Chromebook that it doesn't have normally, this is the way to do it. Some of the best apps on offer include Sketchpad, an image editor, Numerics, a calculator, and WeVideo, a video editor. If you download one of these apps and want to access it, you'll find it on the shelf, the horizontal menu at the bottom of the screen. This is the quickest way to access your apps, and there are a lot of ways to configure it. To remove an unwanted app from the shelf, tap the touchpad with 2 fingers, this works like a right click, to open a context menu and select Unpin. To rearrange apps on your shelf, simply click and drag. If you want to turn your favorite websites into apps, navigate to the website in your browser and right-click on the tab. Select More Tools, Create Shortcut. A pop-up window will ask you to confirm your decision. If you want the website to feel like an app, check the box that says Open as Window before you click Create. Try it with a website you use often, like Gibbon. Returning to the Chromebook keyboard, the search key isn't the only useful key. The top row of keys is reserved for utility functions like raising and lowering volume and brightness. Have a play around with them and see what they can do. The Chromebook's touchpad features some useful shortcuts too. Place 3 fingers on your touchpad and swipe left or right. This will let you quickly shift between tabs, a dangerous power. Swiping down with 3 fingers will explode your desktop outwards, showing all open windows. If you're feeling funky, you might want to change your Chromebook's desktop background. First, download the image you'd like to use, make sure it's school appropriate. Then, right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Set Wallpaper from the context menu. You can choose from some of Google's lovely stock images, or put in your own by clicking My Images. After a few seconds, your new wallpaper will appear. Don't be fooled by its minimalist specs and features. Most of the time, the Chromebook is all the machine you'll ever need. Experiment and play around, and I'm sure you'll have a handle on your new computer in no time.